We are joining this gathering to officially receive another African Development Bank support under the Tax and Accountability Enhancement Project, where IZIMRA as one of the beneficiaries is receiving funding for the implementation of the new tax and revenue management system, which we call TAMS. It gives me great pleasure to be part of this auspicious occasion where we gather to witness the signing of a protocol of agreement for the Tax and Accountability Enhancement Project. I would also like to express my gratitude for the support the African Development Bank has been giving to Zimbabwe, and ZIMRA in particular. The bank has supported ZIMRA in building ICT systems capacity for tax administration, revenue mobilization, facilitation of trade, and training of ICT staff. Let me just highlight the importance of this project, which we are calling TAMS. The Tax and Revenue Management System is to be implemented to replace the current SAP-based Tax Revenue Management System, which we are calling TRM, that ZIMRA has used since 2003 when we implemented VAT. This desired system replacement is in line with ZIMRA's 5-year strategic plan for 2019 to 2023 to modernize its ICT systems and automate manual processes. ZIMRA has been relying heavily on, ZIMRA relies heavily on